Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y squared. So we have 1 over y and first derivative of y over y squared. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have first derivative of v equals to negative first derivative of y over y squared. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. So this one we change by v, this one we change by this one. Next, I will multiply both sides by negative number 1. So we have v and first derivative of v. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that negative next to v, that is about negative number 1. So I will put negative number 1 in here. And we have e to the power of negative s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that's about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we do this integration, we have y equals to ab. So for this one, we will have v e to the power of negative s. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s. dv we have e to the power of negative s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative e to the power of negative s. So because we still have about the negative side, so we put in here. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, but we have another negative. Negative with negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration e to the power of negative s ds. So this one we have negative e to the power of negative s, and then I will put about c. Next, we put the negative sign going here. Next, we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. About v, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.